Today we'd like to show you guys the diamond for our frame lamination. Now let's get started. You see here is our frame laminate mold for X and XS. And here is the frame screen. First, put the frame on the mold evenly. After putting the frame on the mold, let's strip the glue on the 4 sides. Yes. When finished the glue dripping, please fold the cable so that you can make sure the screen and the frame is aligned with the mold. Now use our mold to pull it together. After 15 minutes, okay, let's check it. Glue outside the frame. So please use your dust-free wiper to clean it. As you see, perfect and beautiful frame. Nice screen. Hope our frame lamination mold can help you a lot.